Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to prevent cars from getting scratched. If you have a new car and you want to prevent it from getting scratched, I'm going to be going over 5 simple things that will help you prevent the car from getting scratched. Now, I'm filming this and the lighting isn't the best, so I'm going to try and do my best to actually get through the information. I'm actually just going to move under a street light over here. Hopefully, it's going to help the overall situation and the video won't be as choppy. So let's hope that this helps. But anyways, let's go over the 5 ways to prevent a car from getting scratched. The first thing that you can do is obviously don't park in a vulnerable spot. If you park your car in a spot that it's likely to get scratched, well, guess what? It's likely to get scratched. If you park your car right beside a shopping cart that's left stranded in the parking lot, maybe someone's going to push that cart, maybe it's going to start rolling around and your car is going to get scratched. Don't park it beside any other car that's parked really closely where they might open the door and scratch your car. Just really use your common sense with regards to this. Now, the second thing is that you can do is you can wrap it with paint protection film. Now, this is a great new thing. I actually have a friend that specializes in it, and I'm not promoting anything. I'm not even going to say his name, but he told me about the benefits of paint protection film, and I was like, wow, that's amazing. And I'm going to soon bring in the 2017 Honda CR-V that I have, that I'm driving right now, into him and let him wrap it. And like I said, this is not a promotion. I'm not going to tell you his name. I won't even tell you what his name is if you asked, put it that way, or what his company is. But I will say that I'm impressed by it because they wrap your car with this clear film, and that clear film protects it from scratches for the most part. It gives it an added layer of protection. It's like sort of like a shield for your car. Okay, now the third thing that you can do is wash your car regularly. Now, here's the thing: dirt and debris and anything else that sits on the paint of your car has the ability to scratch your car. Now, if dirt sits there for long enough and it hardens up, and then something happens that moves the dirt on your car, it can actually scratch the paint on your car, and it can actually ingrain just these tiny little minor scratches. But with enough of those, your whole paint job can lose its brightness, its shiny effect. So just wash your car regularly. I would say to wash your car once a week or once every 2 weeks. No matter what the season is, once every 2 weeks is sort of like the longest time frame that you should wait to get that dirt and debris off of your car. Moving forward to number 4, which is don't lean against the car. On some jeans and some jackets and some shirts and some clothing, some articles of clothing, there are little buttons and little zippers. And if you lean against a car and a button or a zipper scrubs against the car, well, guess what? You can scratch the car. So what you want to do is don't lean against the car. That's it. Don't lean against the car. If you lean against the car, unless you're wearing like silk or something with like no chance to scratch the car, you run the risk of scratching the car. Last but not least is number 5 on the list, which is don't place objects on the car. If you're like placing like boxes and bags and all this stuff on your car, it's probably going to scratch the car. It might not make a huge scratch, a massive scratch, but it's probably going to scratch the car at least a little bit. So just, don't put any foreign objects on the car. That's it. In this video, I've gone over how to prevent cars from getting scratched. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.